Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video. This month's theme is growth and it's already bursting at the seams, so let's just pull everything out onto the table. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So this is the notebook, and there's like a little hole in it now so I can open it way easier. So since this is the first thing on top, let's just check it out. And it's dot grid. Love the dot grid notebooks. We have the stickers here. Ooh, check these out. These are overlay stickers. I don't know how popular they are, but they're basically just clear stickers with some foiling on top, and you can put that on top of other boxes, so you can overlay this onto this sticker and give it a bit of a border. That is really cool. Oh, and there's pink versions. Okay, I feel like I'm doing this out of order for some reason, but you know, let's just go with it. There's a bunch of stuff here, and oh, it's the December box. I'm really excited to see what January holds. I feel like January, end of the year, start of the year is always like a huge time for Simply Gilded, because it is kind of like that time of year where you start over, you start with fresh planners, so it's a good time in the planner community. So we've got two overlays. So these ones are like matte transparent stickers, and they're like feathers, I think. They look like different types of feathers with a bit of foiling. This is like copper foiling, rose gold foiling. So these are the two overlays. I don't know, I think you can kind of tell if I tilt it. Yeah, you can see like there's shimmers, like big chunky shimmers in this one, and this is just like standard clear. So that is a real, oh yeah, you can really see it when I do that. Oh, I love that. I can't believe how creative stationery and stickers get. It's like amazes me. So these are going to be the inserts that go in between your notebooks in your traveler's notebook. Sorry, I don't know why I can't speak properly today, but yeah. So you've got this clear one, and then you've got some vellum. I think that's what it's called, vellum. And then over here you have the actual sticker kit. Here we have, this is the full sticker kit. This is a very interesting color palette. It's not something I would have normally gravitated towards, but that's like a big reason why I like subscription boxes, because it kind of forces you out of your traditional comfort zone. If I'm online buying stickers, I probably wouldn't have picked this out, but now that I've got it, I'm like, ooh, well, now I'm gonna have to like force myself to get creative with them. And I have found that sometimes I end up actually really liking it, and then it just changes my taste. So those are the stickers. Over here we've got some washi tape and a pen. I'll open that in a second. We have, I suspect this is a sticker book. It says mini vegan leather album. So maybe it's more, I don't know, I thought they were always sticker books, but maybe they actually are photo albums. So yes, you get a few of these. I feel like I've got quite a few of these now that I might bundle it up and like give them away or something like that, because I couldn't possibly use all the ones that I have. And then here we have a beautiful keychain. So cute. I love the bow, and I can't tell, is this feather or leaf? Maybe it's a leaf. I can't tell. Actually, I think they've all been leaves, and I've just been thinking they were feathers, because it makes sense. Growth, turn over a new leaf, that sort of concept. And I think these are post-it notes, but they seem like they're slightly transparent post-it notes. Oops. I think it's like, I don't know if it was supposed to be attached to this, but yeah. So I guess you could write on it. I'm really like, I love all these decorative post-it notes because you can repurpose them to be stickers as well. So that's that. Let's open this one up. I'm gonna pull the washi tape out, and then I will unbox those separately. Unbox them, unwrap them separately. So here's some cardstock with glow up, and then you've got the pen, which is kind of like a green to pink ombre. It looks really pretty. And now let's move on to the washi tape. So here's the washi tape without all the plastic on them, so you can see a little clearer. They've got the silver foiling, so I feel like they've used quite a bit of different types of foiling, because this is like holographic. You've got copper, gold, rose gold, and silver, so it's a good mix. You've got the bows. I love these little indoor plants. I definitely want to get some actual indoor plants once the renovations are done. I'm not really sure. This is like a geometric shapes. This one with the bow has the perforated edges, so I think the washi tape, if you peel them off, they cut off at 3.5, not 3.5 centimeters. Why am I thinking 3.8 centimeters? I'm not really sure what that is in inches. I'm very sorry. I live with the metric system. I really love this last one. I think it's because the colors are softer and I'm generally a bigger fan of less harsh. So yeah, those are all the washi tapes, and that is everything in December 2020 Simply Gilded. Sorry it took so long. I am slowly ramping up my videos again and trying to figure out my whole schedule. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.